All right, we're here with Bob Feldkamp. Where are you from, Bob?
Manchester, Michigan.
Well, don't you supposed to hold up your hand and point?
Oh, I am. Right about here.
Right about there. We're here at the Shoup booth at the National Farm and Machinery Show. Are you a customer?
Yes.
Yeah? Have you been buying from them for a long time?
For quite a while, yes.
Yeah. Do you usually buy here at the show?
Depends. If it's something I need immediately, then you can just call and order it.
Yeah. But like they have the 10% discount during the show?
I normally get something.
Take advantage of it?
Yeah. Winter special.
What are you usually buying?
Planter parts.
Yeah. Go through your planter every year?
Yeah.
Yeah. What all do you raise up there?
Corn, beans, and wheat.
And wheat, okay. Is wheat prevalent up there?
Reasonable.
Yeah.
The corn and beans are a lot more prevalent than the wheat.
Gotcha. So all these parts you could buy at a dealership. Why do you choose to buy at Shoup?
Well, a lot of them are a little cheaper than what the dealer itself is, and some of it's the different parts that are available.
Yeah, exactly. You ever had problem with them fitting or anything?
No.
Yeah. Yeah. You ever had problem with the ones you buy from the dealership fitting?
No, but once in a while it's the wrong part.
Yes. What do you want people to know about farming up in Michigan?
Oh, it's prevalent, and people are trying to make a living with it, and it's just a good way of life.
Yeah, yeah. You have one of the firmest handshakes I've ever had in my life. Did people tell you that?
Yes.
Yeah.
But my hand's large, and some of my hand swallows up their hands. So
Can you take a walnut and crush it?
No.
You ever tried it?
Yep. It takes a lot. It's like taking an egg. You cannot crush it.
Yeah.
Unless you dent it or do something to it to damage the shell.
Yeah. You remember Connie Chung? She used to be a newscaster. She could crush a walnut.
Okay.
It's because her hands were small enough, to get to, yeah. But I think you are too big.
Yeah, they disappear in the middle of my hand.
Yeah.
Is half the problem.
Does Shoup have gloves big enough for you?
I've never ordered from Shoup for gloves.
I imagine. Well, I want to thank you for taking some time with us, and also I know Shoup values you as a customer, so it's great to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Easy now.
Yeah. Okay.
Good
You take
Lord.
care.